Hey Matt, my name is Esmeralda and I work here with SEO Monster Design, and we're a marketing agency. And I was doing some research in Albuquerque, and I came across your website and just figured you guys can use a little bit of tips that can boost your online presence. And the ultimate goal is going to be to get more customers. But if by the end of this video, if you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, give me a call, or maybe we can get together and chat. If not, feel free to use these tips for yourself. So the first thing that we're going to go over is going to be content. So content is basically anything you can see on your website, including your pictures, what your pictures are saved as, and what's behind your pictures. So why is this important? Because you want to make sure you have enough content on your front page that really explains what you guys do. Also, by having enough content on your front page, you'll be able to add in keywords, key phrases, key terms that people are actually using to search for people that do your services. That's going to be the first tip. You want to make sure you have more unique authoritative keywords. That way, that content will help drive more business to your business through search engine. So also, I wanted to show you this. If you go to here and if one of your images and you click save as, you can see that your images isn't really saved as anything. If you were to put a keyword in there and save your image as that, it would also bring more power to your website. So what I mean by that is we can do construction in Albuquerque. Keywords like that saved, like all your pictures saved as that, will really help with your website. So that's the first tip that I wanted to give you guys. So the second thing is citations. And so if I go over here, and all I did was put contractors near me, and it popped this up, right? So the first things we see is ads. And this is more like a gamble. You're not really guaranteed to get customers when you do ads. And there's actually a big group of people that will not click on ads. And it's maybe because they've had bad experiences with ads or, something. Most people have ad blockers, so they won't even see your ad. So anybody that is running ads, it's really not 100% that you will get business from there, but it does help you get to the top. But what I'm talking about is citations, is essentially your business name on here, your business name and the phone number and the address listed throughout the web in various directories. So what a directory is, you can think of it like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, anywhere online where it allows for your business to list their business information and services to ultimately have another avenue for customers to find them. So that's tip number 2. If you want to beat out your competition in the area, you need to make sure you're doing what they are doing and a little more. If your competitor is on Facebook, you need to be on Facebook. If they're on Yellow Pages, then you need to be on Yellow Pages. There is ways we can identify what your competition is using as far as citations, and we can help you get the same ones as well. So that's the second tip, just going out there and finding places to put your business. Third and final thing I wanted to go over with you guys is backlinks. And that has to do with this organic section right here. You want to make sure you have the content on there like we have discussed, but also backlinks. What that is essentially it's essentially another website that is sending a link to you guys saying that you guys are a great construction company and that's what you do, and that will give you another avenue for customers to reach you. That's going to help you ranking in the search engine down here. If I look up one of your competitors, let me show you. They don't really have as much content either. They do have a lot of pictures, but nothing that we can't beat. So right here, we're actually looking at the backlinks. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate. You're going to get all of your most accurate information from Google if you have your Google Analytics set up correctly on your website. But this can actually give me information that will tell me what's working for you guys and what's not. And right now, you have 30 referring domains that are giving you 117 backlinks. More importantly, backlinks are not going to do much for you if you're not getting found for the keywords and phrases that are going to drive traffic to your website. So if we look at your competitors, they have 317 domains and 1.5K backlinks. So this is actually getting them more customers to find them. And then by doing that, they are getting found organically, the keywords 967, which is bringing 283 traffic to their website. So right now we're looking at some keywords that they're using, and you keep in mind you want to use some of their keywords that they're using and that they're ranking on, but you also don't want to use every single keyword. And by I mean by that is like their name and specifically their business. You don't want to use those keywords. And that is something that, we can help you with, is figuring out which specific keywords so you can actually add them to your website, and that way you can actually start ranking for those. Well, that's everything I wanted to actually go over with you. Sorry I went over a little longer than I wanted to, but hopefully it was informative and educational for you, and hope these tips can help bring you guys more business. So if you guys work on these 3 things, content, citation, and backlinks, you guys will actually start beating your competition online. If you would like to know more about how SEO Monster Design can help you and get a strategy together for you, like I said, give me a call, or maybe we can get together so we can actually chat. But thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video, and I really hope to hear back from you. Yeah, thank you.